just to impress, hoping that they'll take flight on another adventure. It's getting warmer than ever. The seats are filled, this bartender sharp. Fill up your glass as fast as you'll put it back, just banking on forgetting all of your big dreams. You know the way golden sand feels beneath your toes. Watch miracles happen in this town. The music's going to play on, but only you can write your song. Top of the world we all will sing, but I take joy in the simple things. In harmony we repeat. Dig deep now and find debate. You know the way the golden sand feels beneath your toes. But just know you gave it all you got. Give it all you got. So hey, what are you waiting for? I said, hey, you can't hold back anymore. Just know you gave it all you got. Give it all you got. Give it all you
beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. Once I built an ivory tower so I could worship from above. When I climbed down to be set free, she took me in again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in the big hard world. When she comes to greet me, she is mercy at my feet. Yeah, when I see her pin her charm, she just throws it back at me. Once I dug an early grave to find a better land. She just smiled and laughed at me and took her blues back again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in the big hard When I try to understand, she just opens up her hands. I stood to lose her when I saw what I had done. Bound down and threw away the hours of her garden and her son. So I tried to warn her, I turned to see her